Is your marketing message falling flat? Are potential customers scrolling past your ads or leaving your website confused? Do you feel like you need to be louder and louder to get attention of your audience these days? If so, you're not alone. But I have good news for you. A well-proven framework called StoryBrand can transform your confusing message into one that truly resonates with your audience and will bring you more leads and customers. StoryBrand is a powerful framework that clarifies your message by making your customer the hero of your brand story. It's not about shouting louder than your competition. It's about speaking simply and clearly and showing your customers that you can guide them to success through your products and services. At its core, StoryBrand helps you identify your customer's problem, position your brand as the trusted guide, call your customers to action, provide a clear plan for success, and make your customer the hero. The result? A message that's simple, clear, compelling, and customer-centric. No more salesy, long-winded pitches or confusing value propositions full of insider language. It's just straightforward communication that gets results. However, knowing about StoryBrand and implementing it effectively are two different things. That's where our upcoming StoryBrand marketing workshop comes in. In this one-day workshop, coached by myself and our team, you will craft a powerful brand script that resonates with your audience. Learn how to create marketing materials that convert. Learn how to restructure your homepage so it guides visitors to become customers, and develop a company-wide message that every employee can use. As a certified StoryBrand agency, we will work with you to transform your marketing from the ground up. You'll walk away with clear messaging and a concrete plan to implement it across all your channels. Don't let a confusing message hold your business back any longer. Join us on October 8th for our StoryBrand workshop. Early bird tickets are available, but they're not going to last. Click the link to secure your spot. And remember, clarity isn't a luxury. It is a necessity and a game changer for business success. We can't wait to help you change your game.